All right, welcome to another food review. Same place. Today is July 10th, 2025. Today's a snack wrap day. Popeyes brought out the snack wrap. I'm gonna be honest with you, I give it a 7 out of 10 just because I'm not used to Popeye snack wrap. Large fries, we're gonna try that out. Like always, one part is hot, the other part is not. Whatever, we've been there. We're here for the real thing. I got 2 snack wraps, all right? Regular. And something brand new that I never thought they were gonna put in snack wrap, but we got spicy. Oh my God. I don't know why I'm so excited for this shit. So we're gonna save the best for last. We're gonna go for the regular, okay? This is the regular one, okay? So we got like the usual ranch, lettuce, and the tender. All right, y'all ready? I ain't gonna capture you. This is damn. So what it is, they grab the tenders and put it in here, but this is fire. Damn, this is fire. It finally hit me. I like it. Regular snack wrap, I like it. I give it an 8 out of 10. Now we got the spicy. This is different. I never tasted no spicy snack wrap from McDonald's, and I promise you, the only reason why they're bringing out spicy because Popeyes brought out the spicy snack wrap. So I'm gonna see. So obviously the tender's not spicy; it's just a spicy sauce. So we gonna see. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Damn. Oh my God. Whoa. I'm not expecting this shit to be this good. Whoa. Yo, this is fire. Damn, this is good. Get yourself a snack wrap today from McDonald's. Yes, it is here, as you can see. Get yourself, if you like spicy, I recommend spicy. But if you want to get the regular snack wrap, just get the regular. But let me tell you, McDonald's, you did good with this.